What if I told you that most people work their entire lives, earn thousands or even millions, and still stay broke? Not because they earn too little, but because they follow the wrong money habits every single day. And what if the real reason some people quietly build wealth is not luck, not talent, but a few simple personal finance rules that almost nobody talks about? Before we continue, subscribe to this channel and like this video for more powerful money lessons. If you want financial freedom faster, start learning what the rich teach their children today. Money is not controlled by how much you earn. Money is controlled by how you manage what you earn. Many people believe that a higher salary will solve their financial problems, but the truth is, income alone never creates wealth. There are people earning high salaries who live paycheck to paycheck, and there are people with average incomes who become financially free. The difference is behavior, not income. The first personal finance rule everyone must understand is spend less than you earn. This sounds simple, but most people fail here because they increase their lifestyle every time their income increases. When income grows, expenses grow faster. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it silently destroys wealth building. For example, someone who gets a promotion might immediately buy a new car, upgrade their home, or spend on luxury items thinking they earned it. The problem is these extra expenses often cancel out the extra income. Wealthy people control their lifestyle, not the other way around. The second rule is pay yourself first. Most people pay bills, rent, shopping, entertainment, and whatever is left they save. Wealthy thinkers reverse this formula. They save first, then spend what remains. Even saving 10% of your income consistently can completely change your financial future over time. Saving is not what is left after spending. Saving must come before spending. Start with small, automatic transfers to a savings or investment account the day your salary arrives. This makes saving a non-negotiable habit rather than a last-minute decision. The third rule is build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Jobs can be lost, emergencies happen, and unexpected expenses appear without warning. Without savings, people fall into debt. An emergency fund protects you from financial stress and keeps you from using credit cards or loans in difficult times. Ideally, you should have 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved in a separate account that you do not touch unless it is truly necessary. This fund acts as your financial safety net, giving you peace of mind and the freedom to make better decisions rather than panic-driven ones. The fourth rule is avoid bad debt. Not all debt is equal. Debt that helps you grow, like education, business investments, or property, can be useful. But consumer debt, like credit card balances, payday loans, or buying things you cannot afford, is dangerous. Interest works against you when you borrow and works for you when you invest. For example, carrying a high credit card balance while trying to save for investments is counterproductive because the interest charges eat away potential returns. Understanding this difference is one of the most powerful financial lessons anyone can learn. The fifth rule is start investing early. Time is the most powerful tool in finance. The earlier you invest, the more compound growth works in your favor. Compound growth means you earn returns not only on your money, but also on previous returns. This creates a snowball effect where money grows faster over time. Waiting even a few years can cost you thousands in future wealth. Start with small, consistent investments in low-cost index funds, retirement accounts, or diversified portfolios. The key is consistency over perfection. Another critical tip is track your money. Most people do not know where their money actually goes each month. When you track every expense, you gain awareness, and awareness leads to control. You start noticing wasteful spending, unnecessary subscriptions, and habits that drain your finances. Once you see these patterns, you can fix them and redirect that money towards savings and investments. Tools like budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook can help you monitor every dollar. You must also learn the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money into your pocket. Liabilities take money out. Wealthy people focus on buying assets like investments, businesses, or skills that generate income. Poor financial habits focus on liabilities like expensive gadgets, luxury items, and things that lose value quickly. For example, buying a car that depreciates quickly is a liability, but buying a rental property or investing in stocks that pay dividends is an asset. The more assets you own, the stronger your financial future becomes. Another powerful habit is increasing your financial knowledge. Schools rarely teach real money skills, which means most people enter adulthood without understanding taxes, investing, budgeting, or financial planning. The more you learn about money, the better decisions you make. Financial education is a lifelong advantage that keeps paying you returns. Read books, watch videos, follow credible finance channels, and always question your financial assumptions. Knowledge is like interest on a loan. It grows over time and compounds your results. Another tip many people overlook is setting clear financial goals. Wealthy individuals set short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals. They plan their savings, investments, and spending around these goals. Without clear goals, money drifts away, and even high earners can feel financially trapped. Write down what you want: a down payment for a house, an emergency fund, a business, or retirement at 50. Goals give your money a purpose. Finally, patience is the secret weapon of wealth. Real financial success is not built overnight. It is built through consistent habits repeated for years. Saving regularly, investing steadily, avoiding unnecessary debt, and making smart decisions may seem boring, but these boring habits are exactly what create extraordinary results. The people who win with money are not the luckiest, they are the most disciplined. If you apply even a few of these personal finance tips consistently, your future self will thank you. Wealth is not a mystery, it's a system, and once you understand the system, you can make money work for you instead of working for money your whole life. Start today, no excuses, and watch your financial life transform.